Okay, Izzy.
Mom, would you take a video of me? What's that? I dive it. Pick this, a different one up with my vacuum. I can tap it. I can tap it and dive it. You're silly. Another one. And dive it. Uh-oh. What? You did. That one fell out. I know that. I was trying to bake it. Mommy, when can you take a video of me? Then you're in the video. Get out. Jamin, get out. You're in the video. We're not supposed to be in it.
Izzy?
What?
You were a vacuumer. I didn't know it picked up the little balls. I thought it only picked up the green ones. Oh!
I tried to make them fall.
And there is my little vacuumer. How'd you figure this out, Isaac?
We were vacuuming there and it got stuck.
Oh.
And then we found out. Mom, ready? But then I'm gonna go fast.
Okay. Where'd they go? They're still stuck in there.
Yeah. I'm sorry to make them go out.
Ah!
I made them go out.
Hey, you just got my floor dirty again.
What?
You just got the floor dirty again, and here I thought you were vacuuming.
What? How? How did he, Mom?
Because he just put the two balls on the carpet again. It's like he threw out the dirt.
What?
Hey, guy.
I'm gonna...
And with that, I leave you.